RCAT's ticking all those boxes to claw away at more market share in the defense drone and autonomous systems market as it racks up a NATO contract and an international partnership alongside another acquisition. April just kicked off with a new order from a NATO ally for its Black Widows through the NATO Support and Procurement Agency. The contract, awarded after a competitive tender, involves delivery of multiple systems in 2026. Each system includes 2 drones, a ground control station, and essential mission components. CEO Jeff Thompson explained that the deal reflects growing demand for ready-to-deploy, secure, and scalable drone platforms suited for contested environments. Indeed, the NATO name recognition gives the Black Widow even more clout as a trustworthy ISR platform built on a rugged frame with secure communications and compliance with U.S. defense standards. It also opens up opportunity for customers to explore more RCAT offerings, since it's part of RCAT's broader family of systems, a modular ecosystem of unmanned technologies. To develop such technologies in more real-world conditions, RCAT entered a partnership with Spets Export (STE), a Ukrainian state-owned defense enterprise. The agreement establishes a framework for collaboration on next-generation unmanned systems across air, land, and maritime domains. The partnership aims to integrate advanced technologies, expand production, and connect U.S. and Ukrainian defense innovations to global markets. Ukraine's role as a testing ground for emerging defense technologies makes it a valuable partner. Through this collaboration, RCAT seeks to accelerate development and deployment of mission-ready systems while strengthening allied defense capabilities. Similarly, acquisitions are helping RCAT scratch deeper into complex abilities like drone swarms, especially after it recently completed the acquisition of Apium Swarm Robotics, a California-based company specializing in distributed autonomy for drone swarms and uncrewed surface vessels. Apium will operate independently while integrating its technology into RCAT's platform ecosystem. This improves RCAT's capabilities in autonomous swarming. Apium's software enables multiple robotic systems to coordinate, adapt, and execute missions without constant human control, even in GPS or communication-denied environments. This decentralized approach improves resilience, reduces operator workload, and increases mission effectiveness. The companies had previously collaborated in 2025, successfully demonstrating multi-agent autonomous operations at U.S. Army and industry events. So the acquisition eventually just made sense.